Hi, I'm Bill from Poolmiser. We're here today to talk about the Poolmiser and how to install it, and a few of the things that you should know about that will make it easier to install. So I'm going to start by opening up the box and showing you what comes with the Poolmiser. Standard toilet valve, although the one that we sell with our equipment is not standard. They make it specifically for us, and I'll get more into that as we go on. This is called the overflow tube, and I'll show you where it goes as well. It's to handle any time the valve malfunctions or you get over rain. It's a place in the Poolmiser tank that allows the water, the extra water, to drain out rather than overflowing your yard. This is the Poolmiser tank itself, and this is the ring and lid. This is the trim piece here that will go on top and level with the top of the deck. These are the Poolmiser instructions, and attached to them are 3 screws that are used to attach the lid to the ring on the finished trim of the Poolmiser. There's the washer, and then there's also a small filter that goes inside of the valve itself to keep debris from entering and fouling the valve. The tank itself is got 3 orifices on the bottom of it. There's a 3/4 inch line, and that goes directly to the water supply. There's a 1-inch line, and that is for your overflow. The overflow is going to run to either open air in the yard, to a drain somewhere, or even out into the gutter. But it is a place that allows the water to escape in case you have an overflow due to a faulty valve or a large rainstorm. And then the third and very important is the equalizer line. It's an 1.5-inch line. Please do not reduce it, as it will affect the operation of the device. Keep it at 1.5 inches. The 1.5-inch line is going to run directly from the Poolmiser tank into the pool itself. And the only thing you need to be very careful about is when you install it, that you don't create a situation where air can collect at the top of the pipe. In other words, the equalizer line can run directly to the pool. You can have a dip that goes down. You can elbow it down and then back up again, but you cannot elbow it up, over, and then back down again, because you're creating a space where air can collect. And once air fills that area, there's no more communication between the pool and the tank itself. So a straight equalizer line with no bow up. Well, let me turn it this way. So as this runs to the pool, make sure that it doesn't do this. It can do this, it can turn and do that, but you cannot create a situation where air can collect up in that upper tank. That's very important. Okay, next we'll go to the installation of the tank itself. Okay, you've got your plumbing ready to go in. You're going to set this in the ground, and you're going to want the top of the tank, this top of the tank, to be exactly 3 inches above the water line. You want to install this tank so that this top layer here is 3 inches above your intended water line. And then it'll be set at the right height for controlling the level of the water.